This is a super cute card I made for the last episode of the Great North American Stampin' Show, Season 5. And we were challenged to make something that used a pennant. And so I used the Party Banners pennant dies, which are fantastic. Love them. And I put the cutting part off of the top so that it left a folded card. And then I'm just building it up so that the card is like a little miniature card on a bigger card base. Now, I do not own the Turtley Cute stamp set, but I did buy the paper because these turtles totally crack me up and they make such cute cards. And I paired it with the Simply Said stamp set for a sentiment and glued that on the inside. And there it is. So cute. So I have all the details on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com. All the links are on there. You should totally grab this paper. So much fun. Go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I'll talk to you again soon.